End of the world, the signs Nibiru is coming and causing Earth to wobble. There are several signs that Nibiru is approaching and the world will end on November 19, according to conspiracy theorists watching developments with Planet X. Believers claim the mysterious celestial body is approaching Earth and will cause devastating earthquakes worldwide on November 19. The main perpetrator of this theory is Terrell Croft, who shares his research on planetxnews.com, as well as his personal blog and YouTube channel. He wrote in an online article, "The predicted backside alignment quake event is scheduled for November 19, 2017, when Earth passes behind the Sun relative to the black star, Nibiru, in the Libra constellation." Now, others are jumping on to this theory, claiming that the planet is approaching and the end of days are near. Conspiracy theory blog, 50 View, claims there are several signs the end is nigh. The website says skies have become more red, there have been several floods around the globe, mainly in Texas, and interplanetary lighting. Venus and Jupiter recently aligned on November 13 and were visible from Earth. The website reads, "Iron oxide skies, global biblical flooding and interplanetary lighting discharge have become the main area of concern as the Planet X system approaches Earth and the Earth pole shift moves outward more rapidly." A pole shift has become a common claim Nibiru is approaching among believers. Since the year 2000, Earth's axis has shifted by about 7 inches a year, something which NASA scientists have described as a massive swing. While Earth has wobbled on its axis throughout its history, Nibiru believers are convinced this time it is due to the arrival of the apocalyptic planet. They claim the likes of Hurricane Irma and Jose, along with several earthquakes around the globe, such as the 7.3 magnitude quake which recently hit Iran and Iraq, are indicators that Planet X is nearing. Website Planet X News writes, "Several Earth changes that are now ongoing are indicators of increased Earth wobble, which in turn should tell us a pole shift event is imminent. All this indicates to us that the Nibiru system has arrived in our neighborhood, the inner solar system. This Earth wobble has intensified even more within this last month, August, and so has the extreme weather. What has happened along the coasts of South America has shown how intense this Earth wobble phenomenon has become." Before that, at October 23, 2017, NASA said there is compelling evidence for the mystery huge Planet X Nibiru lurking on the edge of the solar system. The hypothetical Nibiru, also known as Planet X or Planet 9, appears to be so big, its gravitational force has knocked our solar system out of balance, scientists believe. The internet is awash with wild claims and conspiracy theories that a mythical planetary system, known as Nibiru or Planet X, is on its way towards Earth, and will cause great earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, due to its gravitational force. Believers think that NASA's latest announcement is confirmation the terrible disaster will soon befall us. Nibiru, or Planet X as it is also known, is a theorized mini-solar system consisting on a sun and some planets and moons which is alleged to be lurking on the edge of our solar system with a 3,600-year orbit of the Sun. The myth was born in 1976, when writer Zecharia Sitchin claimed that two ancient Middle Eastern cultures, the Babylonians and Sumerians, told of a giant planet, Nibiru, that orbited the Sun every 3,600 years. However, despite believing there is a mystery planet out there, NASA maintains the Nibiru myth is a hoax, and the one in question will come nowhere near us. Planet X is a name given to a new unknown planet before it is officially named. To avoid confusion with the Nibiru, Planet X myth, NASA is calling it Planet 9, as it would be the 9th planet in our solar system after Pluto lost its status as a planet. The planet is believed to be 10 times bigger than Earth and 20 times farther out from the Sun than Neptune, the outermost planet in the solar system. While Planet 9's existence has yet to be officially proven, researchers strongly suspect that there is a large planet lurking in the far edge of our solar system. If the planet is there, then it could explain why the solar system is slightly off balance. In most star systems, the surrounding planets tend to rotate in line with their host. However, in ours, the planets are at an angle of 6 degrees off its axis. Konstantin Batygin, a planetary astrophysicist at the California Institute of Technology, Caltech, in Pasadena, said, over long periods of time, Planet 9 will make the entire solar system plane precess, or wobble, just like a top on a table. There are also a number of other odd features in our solar system that would be explained by Planet 9. Dr. Batygin said, there are now 5 different lines of observational evidence pointing to the existence of Planet 9. If you were to remove this explanation and imagine Planet 9 does not exist, then you generate more problems than you solve. All of a sudden, you have 5 different puzzles, and you must come up with 5 different theories to explain them. One of the weird features is that the Kuiper Belt, a circumstellar disk full of icy asteroids, comets and dwarf planets which encompasses the solar system, orbits in the opposite direction to the planets within it. The existence of Planet 9 would explain this anomaly, says Dr. Batygin. He explained, no other model can explain the weirdness of these high-inclination orbits. It turns out that Planet 9 provides a natural avenue for their generation. These things have been twisted out of the solar system plane with help from Planet 9 and then scattered inward by Neptune. NASA said in a statement, it might be lingering bashfully on the icy outer edges of our solar system, hiding in the dark, but subtly pulling strings behind the scenes, stretching out the orbits of distant bodies, perhaps even tilting the entire solar system to one side. The signs so far are indirect, mainly its gravitational footprints, but that adds up to a compelling case nonetheless. However, it went to lengths to make it clear Nibiru is not real, dailystar.co.uk reports. It added, if a planet is there, it's extremely distant and will stay that way, with no chance, in case you're wondering, of ever colliding with Earth, or bringing days of darkness.